Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Pallavi Balasaheb Madekar. I work as an assistant professor in Department of English in Anantarav Thopte College 4. Today, I am going to make PowerPoint presentation as a part of assignment in a faculty development program, which is organized by KTHM College Nasik. At the outset, I would like to thank the organizing committee for organizing such wonderful uh, FDP program for us. Today I'm going to make presentation on the topic branches of linguistics and overview. In my presentation, I mention what is linguistics, then different branches of linguistics like phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. At the end of the presentation, I will brief the conclusion. First of all, I want to tell you what is linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of language and its structure. We can say that it is the science of language. Linguistics involves analyzing language form, language meaning, and language in context. It includes study of grammar, syntax, and phonetics. The specific branches of linguistics include social linguistics, dialectology, psycholinguistics, computational linguistics, comparative linguistics, and structural linguistics. Today I'm going to focus on main branches of linguistics, and that are phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. We will see the description of the branches of linguistics one by one. First, I am going to deal with phonetics. Phonetics can refer to the study of speech sounds of any language. It focuses on production and classification of the world speech sounds. The production of speech looks at the interaction of different vocal organs, for example, the lips, tongue, teeth, to produce particular sounds. The next branch of linguistics is phonology. Phonology is the study of the speech sounds of any particular language. It is concerned with the systematic organization of sounds in spoken languages and signs in sign languages, the study of the systems of phonemes in spoken languages. There is a difference between phonetics and phonology. Phonetics is the study of speech sound of language in general, and phonology is the study of speech sounds of any particular language. So we have the phonology of English, phonology of Hindi, phonology of Marathi, and so on. In this branch, we study speech sounds of different languages, and the system of speech sounds like a consonant, vowel, syllable, and other things in phonology. The next branch deals with the morphology. Morphology is the study of words and how they are formed and their relationship to other words in the same language. We can say that morphology is the grammar of word, and it analyzes the structure of words and parts of words such as stems, roots, words, prefixes, and suffixes. Under this branch, we study the processes of word formation, and then we study the terms like morpheme, free morpheme, and bound morpheme. The next branch of linguistic is syntax. Syntax is the study of grammar of sentence. It is the arrangement of words and phrases to create well-formed sentences in a language. It is the set of rules, principles, and processes that govern the structure of sentences. So in this branch, we study the different types of phrases like noun phrase, verb phrase, a prepositional phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, and how these phrases comes and uh, how these phrases makes the clause how these phrases make the clauses like noun clause, adjective clause, and so on. uh, then in this branch, we study different types of clauses and different types of sentences, like simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Uh, After syntax comes semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning in language. It concerns with the relationship between signifiers like words, phrases, signs, and symbols, and what they stand for in reality and their denotation. Under this branch, we study the different types of meaning like denotative meaning and connotative meaning. We also study here the lexical relations like synonymy, antonymy, hyponymy, polysemy, metonymy. The next branch of linguistics is pragmatics. Pragmatics is the study of contextual or situational meaning. How do we get meaning in context is a study of pragmatics. In this branch, we study the terms like speech acts, cooperative principle, politeness principle, dexis, implicatures, presupposition. We can say that it deals with language in use and the context in which it is used. It includes the matters such as texts, taking of turns in conversation, text organization, presupposition, and implicature. In the conclusion, we can say that the different uh, branches of linguistics are there, like phonology, phonetics, morphology, syntax, semantics, that forms the language. At the end of the presentation, I would like to thank you all for listening and watching this presentation. Thank you.